Hello students. So today we are starting with vocal verb and rule. Till now we have done normal rule, TD rule, S/Z/beta rule, helping verb, vocal verb and plus S rule, and today the sixth rule we are going to learn is vocal verb and rule. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go back, watch the videos from the normal rule and then come back to this video to understand it much better manner. Now, in the vocal verben, what happens? One good thing is there, in 11th standard, you have few vocal verben rule. Don't think that vocal verben and the vocal verben plus S rule are the same. No students, in vocal verben plus S rule, you have only 3 verbs at present in 11th standard. Only 3. That is essen, lesen and vergessen. Please see the conjugations in my previous video on vocal verben plus S rule. Yeah. Then come to this video, that is vocal verben rule. In this rule, the rule is also quite different than the previous one. So make sure you watch it and then come back. In this video, in vocal verben rule, let's take one example. Exactly what happens. In the similar manner, you are writing in the margin. Assume there is a margin over here. So in the similar manner, you are writing in your margin, ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, big Z, small z. Yeah. Always try to write the meanings also if possible over here with black pen. Ich is I, du is you, he, she, it, we, you all, you and they. If possible, also write first person, second person, third person singular, first person, second person, third person plural. Always revise whatever you all are writing on the sheet one at a time. The personal pronoun video is also there. Please watch it. And now we are taking one example, that is nehmen. N for number. N-E-H-M-E-N. Nehmen. Sprechen. Nehmen. Sprechen. Now nehmen meaning, please mention over here. I have left some space for writing meaning. Of course, with different color pen, try to write the meaning over here. Nehmen means to take. To take. Sprechen means to speak. Yeah. Write this part in your classwork notebook, whole page. And then write the meaning also what I told you now. And this is the original word. If you want, you can underline it. Original word. Yeah. Then we are going to conjugate this original word. Make sure du and RZS will be exception because it is a vocal verben rule. So in vocal verben rule, what is exception? Du and RZS. These two things are exception. So I have left it blank. Otherwise, ich form, wir form, ihr, big Z. This you can do same like a normal rule. Take your blue color pen. Write the starting before en. This we have to cut first. Then write the starting with blue color everywhere. Don't write anything near du and RZS. Take your black pen. Write the endings as you always do for the normal rule. Once this is over, you can click a photo and share with me to make sure that you have written it in proper manner. Then take your red color pen. Then with the red pen, here we are going to fill the forms. Okay. So over here, try to learn the do form and keep for yourself. You can make a collection of it in your homework book and try to learn the do form and keep. In do form, nehmen I have learnt and practiced and registered in our mind. So I know today nehmen do form is nimmst. N-I-M-M-S-T. Nimmst. It is quite different from the original word. Yeah. So no trick should be applied. Learn it and keep. The do form of sprechen is spritzt. Spritzt. Okay. So this do form, if you know by heart, yeah, you can of course do the RCS form by yourself, but do form should be learned. It will be provided by me to y'all. Yeah, so do form you can learn and keep of the verbs if you know it is vocal verb and rule. Like TD, like S rule, you cannot recognize these verbs. आप लोग इसको recognize नहीं कर पाओगे, ये learn करके रखना पड़ेगा कि नेमन और expression ये वोकाल वर्बन है. विद द प्रैक्टिस, रेगुलर स्टडी, ये आपके दिमाग में फिट हो जाएगा कि ये वोकाल वर्बन है. एक बार वोकाल वर्बन में क्या होता है, डू और एरेजी अलग होता है कंप्लीटली. उसमें निम्स्ट मतलब डू फॉर्म आपको लर्न करके रखना है. एक बार ये लर्न करके लग दिया तो एरजीएस इजी होता है. ऊपर रूल दिया है, डू लर्न, एरजीएस डू की तरह ही है, सिर्फ उसमें से एस निकाल दो. तो ये जो डू फॉर्म है वही हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. सिर्फ उसमें से जो हम लोग एस टी डालते थे वो एस टी ना डाल के हम लोग टी डालेंगे सिर्फ, क्योंकि एस निकालना है. स्प्रिस्ट, 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 नीम्स्ट, नीम्ड. This is how to do vocal verb and rule. Now I am going to give you some collection of the verb जहाँ पे मैंने vocal verb को collect करके रखा है 11th standard में जितने आए हैं उतने. Okay, so I'll show it to you now. As you can see over here, I have choose and removed for y'all, made a collection. If anything is there extra, I'll let you know. Okay. So vocal verb and please write in your classwork notebook. If you have already written, ignore. But you are supposed to write this in your classwork notebook and keep. This I have made some collections, expression, laufen. These are not many. These are not like normal rules, many in number. But of course, these are not less also, like vocal verb plus S rule has only 3. But vocal verb has little more. So you can learn this and keep. Sprechen, laufen, waschen, geben, sehen, nehmen, gefallen, schlafen, fahren, tragen, treffen, helfen. Yeah. The meanings I have written with black color pen as usual, and the do form for y'all I have written and kept, so that you can learn it, collect it and keep in your notebook. Yeah. So if I give you the do form, you can of course make the RCS form. Only इनमें से आपको S निकालना है. Only from these words you need to remove S, and then your RCS form is ready. But make sure only do and RCS should be written with red pen. Otherwise all the other conjugations like ish, wear, small IHR, ZZ should be written with half blue and half black like a normal rule. Only do form spellings are quite different, student. Don't think it is the same like your original word. Spellings are quite different. So try to read it many times. Try to watch the video and know the pronunciation. I'm repeating for you all. You all repeat and send me your audio of these verbs if possible. Sprechen, laufen, waschen, geben, sehen, nehmen, gefallen, schlafen, fahren, tragen, treffen, helfen. Do form sprichst, läufst, leu. Okay, läufst, wäschst, gibst, siehst, nimmst, gefällst, schläfst, fährst, trägst, triffst, hilfst. Yeah, please take one loose paper. On that loose paper you can, like how you normally do with the margin, how you normally make a margin, write in the margin this pronouns, and then all the 12 verbs which you saw now, you can conjugate it here in the columns and keep a collection on your loose paper and write vocal verb and rule and be ready. So पहले तो ये क्लास वर्क बुक में एक बार लिख के लो एग्जाम्पल और वो 12 वर्ब्स. एक बार वो लिखने के बाद प्रैक्टिस करो होमवर्क बुक में, और उसके बाद कलेक्शन बनाओ और फिर मुझे भेजो. Okay, so this is how to do vocal verb and rule. Please watch it carefully and try to pronounce it and send me the audio, send me the classwork, send me the homework too.